You could drive.
Oh, no wonder
What's up, y'all?
No wonder why my facial recognition not working and shit.
What? Why?
Got the shades on.
Oh.
I keep looking at it like, damn, my shit ain't working.
You want to put your glasses? Why you keep putting your glasses on? Y'all, we about to go to Six Flags.
So you don't see how cock my eyes off. So you don't see how fried I am.
Boy, you ain't even fried right now though.
Not yet.
He told some not yet. Y'all, we gone.
You already know. I just drunk some Douce too.
We lit. We trying to get lit on the rats.
Man,
I'm gonna drink a little something. I'm trying to be tipsy.
You trying to get tipsy too?
Yeah.
We about to get the anything is possible.
Anything is possible, baby.
Anything is possible. Well, I'm gonna put in my
right, I'm about to take my shit off.
Listen. No way, no, bro. I told his ass 40 minutes ago, get ready.
He getting
this
dressed.
Nigga just now getting ready. Just my OG putting a nephew together right now.
Oh.
That shit was raw. I was in that bitch. I had to talk to my mama and shit.
She was talking
about what's going on with me this morning. Tell me let that shit go.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, well, look at you. You want your OG. My face fat as fuck, yeah.
I don't wanna play no games.
Yeah, we was just up in here jamming, y'all. I'm gonna have to get a stand so y'all could see better. I'm ready. Y'all get to see Duke. He got his haircut, y'all. Finally.
Yeah, I'm a different person now. I'm a whole new nigga right now.
Mm-hmm. He sure is.
Yeah, I had to, what you mean?
Mm-hmm.
What you talking about?
You know.
Hell nah.
Yeah, I'm ready to get on the Batman. I think I might do the giant drop, y'all, but
not me. I'll record it. If she get on that motherfucker, I'll record it.
You gotta get on there with me.
What? I told you yesterday, my stomach. My stomach. There you go. My homie won't want.
I'll be by myself then.
Huh?
You probably didn't even put me down. See what I'm talking about? My tattoo.
Yeah, you in that too. That's what I said. I don't think I'm booking too many people for tomorrow.
Y'all better get a tattoo? I'm gonna vlog it.
Yeah, I'm sure.
It's lit. I'm gonna show y'all a tattoo I'm gonna get. You better. Don't cover your face. It's probably gonna be hot.
It's gonna be hot as fuck. That's a long sleeve too,
Oh yeah. Damn.
Yeah, look at you all.
At least cool. White or something. I don't know.
All cool and shit. You said wear white?
It was supposed to rain, y'all, but it didn't.
But if I go find me some white, some white pants, some white shorts, I'll be straight. Who the fuck calling us?
That's Lakeisha.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, for real? You want to answer it?
Nope. Nope. I don't like niggas.
Boy. That's not a nigga though. That's a whole female.
You wanna play?
Y'all, oh my god, I sprayed my car yesterday. Bad. I was talking to him and all of a sudden I crashed into some shit.
You was being too cool.
Oh, look at the baby. You look cute. You want these glasses? You don't want them to see your eyes?
I'm lit, baby.
That's not the case, y'all. We about to be lit on these rides. It's turn up time.
This for the sun.
Oh, I see it. I see it. I ain't been here so long. Remember that the gate, 63. Ooh-wee. Be low key matching. Not that much though. I'm gonna try to find a. I'm gonna try to get a fanny pack, y'all, so I can put my camera in my bag and my wallet and phone. Yeah, that's all I need. That's why all I should have took in there, but
we need some food when we get in there.
Yeah, we hungry as hell. Well, I'm kind of hungry. I ain't gonna eat that much. I don't like to eat in front of him.
Man, I'm about to eat Johnny Rockets.
They got ice cream. I'm ready for the funnel cakes.
What is this fuck up in here?
It is.
How you feel about that ride? Yo, I was scared, huh? Huh? I'm recording.
Oh my God.
Huh? Nah, I got your ass on camera. Yeah.
Y'all, we on X-Flight. I keep thinking this Superman. It's lit. I think I see it. You see it?
Yeah, right there. Shit's scary.
Shirt hell nice. I thought that was glitter at first. Right here. Yeah. You still what?
I still want this alarm to go off when I touch it.
In this night.
Wow. She thought she was too smooth. That's why.
Boy.
Hey, you got on every roller coaster right with me. You fuck, man, I'm telling you, bro. I fuck with you, man. I fuck with you, man. And
You about to, huh? You about to roll this up?
And you think that I don't be fucking with you? Yeah, I'm gonna roll up real quick.
Y'all hear that they fuck with me?
Shit, I got the Julio. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
See, I need a tripod right here. Perfect. Y'all, this new Chris Brown. Oh, we should have made a reaction video. We gonna start making those. Y'all want to see reaction videos from us? It's gonna be lit.
I'm with that shit.
No music come out. We gonna make a reaction video to it.
I'm be dancing.
That shit gonna be lit.
Some new dance moves for y'all. Keep seeing that when I'm stepping up. When we was leaving. It's called heavy steppers.
Oh. Let me turn the bar already. You know that shit nasty.
Shit tastes like leaves.
No, that shit tastes like, I don't know. You definitely gotta have a chaser with that. The clear look, yeah.
That Gucci go up with that
Hey, this man. Fish fries.
Fish fries.
Mm-hmm. Girl, what you been doing?
worrying me.
What, Josh been getting on your nerves, I bet.
I've been in the room. Listen,
Hey, hey, Demetrius. Best friend. He said, hey, I like those. He said, hey, I like the blind. You gotta say thank you to my friend.
What?
He said he like your blonde hair.
Thank you, Demetrius. Thank you, thank you.
Oh my God. Oh my, you see? Well, look at me, y'all. So today is the next day. I'm going up here to Woodfield Mall so that I can purchase some Jeffree Star products, y'all. I love his Jawbreaker collection. I'm looking rough, but it's okay. I was supposed to throw my hat. I put on some lashes, that's it. So I won't look so boring. But yeah, y'all. I'm ready for these products. My forehead is shiny. But yeah, my camera is about to die. I need to charge it. And I'm about to get a tattoo. So I'm gonna let y'all see when I get my tattoo. Me and best friend is out here.
Period.
We trying to hit the gay clubs, okay? Leading up to Pride Week. Pride Week is June 30th.
But it turn up, let the girls have it.
Let them have it, best friend. So I don't know, I think we're gonna go to this club called Hydrate. I haven't ended my vlog, when was it? Yeah, yesterday. So we went to Six Flags yesterday, but I ain't end it. So I think I'm gonna end it tonight.
The gays is out here.
But yeah, it's Sunday. So yeah, the gays is out here. we definitely about to go have some drinks, turn up real quick.
Get drunk but not too drunk.
Cause best friend leave Tuesday.
Yes. Tomorrow basically.
He wanna get in the camera or something.
Oh, you told me?
Yeah. Right. I had to throw my selfie stick in the garbage, y'all, at Six Flags.
Ooh, look, a gay thing. I just broke the beach. I don't want to get me something real fruity.
Huh? Okay, boy.
I'm coming.
Peace Sunday. Everybody want to be a fish like me. No, I'm just saying. This is real fish over here.
Don't play. You know that's not no fake fish, girl. That's not the kind that you put in the microwave fish. That's the one you gotta cook.
Okay.
These ain't for you. Unless you show me the money, I'll probably can see what I can do.
Bitch, we got money in here. So you broke, baby, what is you here for? I used to live
Every night with my clique, I just never. I'm a player, I just crash, baby.
I'm gonna go get you some land.
Damn, bitch. Built like cottage.